City. There is a lovely and amazing city of Tel Aviv, guys. And enjoy this fascinating. It's lovely. The city of love. The beautiful city. The amazing city of Tel Aviv. You can enjoy, guys. And don't forget also to like, share, and follow our page. Visit Israel for more people can see this amazing, wonderful place. This city of love. Unbelievable. Really unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. Hey guys, shalom shalom. Welcome to Tel Aviv, guys. Here we are right now for this amazing and wonderful promenade here, the city of love. Hope you can enjoy and God bless you all. Don't forget also to like, share, and follow our page. Visit Israel from your home. God bless you all.